If you shorted the market, if you traded SPY QQQ, you would literally turn your $1,000 into $10,000 today. That was the kind of day, and you don't really need to risk too much. So what was happening? Yesterday we had FOMC, we had a bunch of earnings, but our focus today was on the MTF clouds and the VIX strategy. So if you go to ripstereducation.com, you go to SPY VIX trades, you can study how the SPY VIX strategy has been changing lives. So that's what we implemented in the market today. So when we came up this morning, market was kind of gapping up and flat. So pre-market plan, VIX 1720 key levels. Market is choppy, so no bullish bias unless VIX breaks 17. If VIX breaks under 17, we will be bullish. Out of the 17 towards 18, we will be bearish. Right where the market opened, the VIX is rising over 17. Right away, you take it short. I told the traders, avoid longs, take shorts, amateur shorts with high of the candle as VIX breaks out. So you short it. You do not hesitate. And guess what? We are hitting MTF clouds here. We are hitting MTF clouds here. So I told the traders to have a stops at 633 on QQQs and stops on SPY 696.60. That's all you had to do. Get in right away. Buy a few puts, amateur move, turn the trend move. You see this is MTF cloud breaking down. You can always add into it, or you can cover at 10 a.m. Gave the traders the first target of the MTF. The second target I gave was 629, and SPY I gave the target of MTF clouds from MTF to the MTF. You see VIX breaking out of 18, you hold your puts. And even if we broke that, we went to the next MTF on QQQs. Monster short, guys. Monster short. And I told the traders you could roll into further puts when VIX keeps breaking 18 and 19 towards 20. I was looking for the 20 rejections, but we rejected 1974, and then finally we curled, we got out. This was the short setup. You had to take Ripster clouds bearish, Ripster labels bearish. You could trade anything. You could trade the options. Let's say you were on 626 puts to start the day out of the money. Those went from $2 to $8, 2,000 to 8,000. So that was a home run trade. And you could always buy a further lot. By 10 a.m. you're already making money on T626 puts. Then you can buy the further lot, or you can go to the 625 puts, or you could even go to 620 puts. Let's say you made $1,000, $2,000. You take $400. You buy 620 puts for $2. They go to 500. So you double your money right there as well. You don't really need huge accounts to trade this. You could literally trade 2 contracts and grow your $2,000 account, turn it into a $3,000 in a single day. Or you could trade QQQ, you could trade SPY. Of course, you could always trade Nasdaq futures. Take the short on the futures. It works beautifully with the clouds futures as well. MTF to the MTF magnet. You short it here, you hold your shorts with the Ripster clouds. You're gonna get huge wins, almost 600 points there. You could take on the Nasdaq futures. You can always trade leverage ETFs. You could trade SPXL. You could trade TQQQ. You could trade SQQQ. You could literally trade anything that you like that moves with the market. The biggest thing is nobody in my community under my teachings, nobody's long here. That's why over 60% traders were still green in the community.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.